as the ocean, loving kindness as the flood. When the Prince of Life, our ransom, shed for us his precious blood, who his love will not remember, who can cease to sing his praise? He can never be forgotten throughout heaven's eternal days. On the mount of crucifixion, fountains open deep and wide. Through the floodgates of God's mercy flowed a vast and gracious tide. Grace and love like mighty rivers poured incessant from above. Heaven's peace and perfect justice kissed the guilty world in love. Let me all your love accepting, love you ever all my days. Let me seek your kingdom only, and my life be to your praise. You alone shall be my glory, nothing in the world I see. You have cleansed and sanctified me. You yourself have set me free. In your truth you still direct me, by your Spirit through your word, and your grace my need is meeting, as I trust in you, my Lord. Of your fullness you are pouring your great love and power on me, without measure, full and boundless, drawing out my heart to thee. Of your fullness you are pouring your great love and power on me, without measure, full and boundless, drawing out my heart to